Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Now this video is about hooks. Now what are hooks in React.js we will see in this video. So the hooks are a new addition in React 16.8. Also the importance of hooks is they allowed us to use use state method and other React features without writing a class. And hooks are functions that let us hook into React state and lifecycle features from a functional component. React hooks not be used in class components. They let us write components without class. Why hooks introduced in React? This question is very important and this is many times asked in the interviews. So the answer is React hooks were introduced because functional components were called stateless component previously. Only class components were used for state management and lifecycle methods. The need to change a function component to a class component whenever state management or lifecycle methods were to be used led to the development of hooks. So this is the main reason that why hooks are introduced. And the one reason to introduce hooks was the complexity is dealing with this keyword inside the class component. If not handled properly, this will take some other values that will result in breaking lines like this .setState method and other event handlers. Using hooks, we avoid that complexity when working with functional component. Class component do not minify very well and also make hot reloading unreliable. This is another inspiration to bring hooks. Another reason is that there is no specific way to reuse stateful component logic, even though high-order component and render props patterns address this problem that ask for modifying the class component code. Hooks allows to share stateful logic without changing the component hierarchical. And the last reason is in a complex class component, related code are scattered in different lifecycle methods. That's why so hooks instead help to place related code together. So there are some rules of hooks. There's only 2 points. Hooks are JavaScript function, but they impose 2 additional rules. First is only call hooks at the top level. Do not call hooks inside loops, condition or any nested function. And the second is only call hooks from React function component. Do not call hooks from regular JavaScript function. There is just one other valid place to call hooks. Is your own custom hooks. You will see this in the next video. For that, don't forget to like and subscribe. The React.js provides a lighter plugin to enforce these rules automatically. We understand these rules might seem limiting or confusing at first, but they are essential to making hooks work well. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and more share with you.